Looking for environmentally friendly and safe natural cleaning products for your home? Got a bag of lemons in your fridge? Try using lemons and baking soda. The citric acid within lemons offers antibacterial properties, combined with the gentle abrasive nature of baking soda, makes for a natural, fresh-smelling cleaner that cuts grease, soap scum, and hard water deposits. To remove residue in your kitchen sink, fill a small bowl with baking soda, slice a lemon in half, and dip a lemon half into the baking soda and rub in your sink in a swirling motion. Periodically, re-dip the lemon half in the baking soda and repeat the cleaning action. Rinse the sink down to remove any residual baking soda. These natural cleaners are great for cleaning bathroom sinks, showers, tubs, and toilet bowls. Wipe off residual baking soda with a damp paper towel or sponge.